Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, April 11th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the US dollar yen, definitely still in an uptrend as you can see. It looks like it could be a wave 5, but I do not see any reason to think it's over yet. And especially if you start looking at dollar and yen pairs, I think that we do have some more upside potential. Heading down to the weekly time frame, we finally broke out of that channel that we had going on the daily and weekly to the upside. But the important thing to see is that it is 100% still higher highs and higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. My next area of support is this 100% Fibonacci extension, which is right around the 155 area. So I would definitely still be very, very bullish at least until 155. Heading down to the daily time frame. Like I said, on the daily, we had a major sideways market for actually a couple weeks. And eventually it did break out because all the higher time frames are in an uptrend. So what happens when that circumstance most of the time is it continues to make higher highs, higher lows on these sort of time frames, which is exactly what it's doing. That Fibonacci extension level is all the way up around 155, and that is definitely my next area of resistance. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, I do not see a break of structure to the downside. I do not see a lower high. I do not see anything at all that tells me that we should be doing anything except for looking for longs on shorter time frames. So keeping all this information in mind, let's take it down to the 1 hour. Now on the 1 hour, this last little section of trend does kind of look like it is starting to get very close to being over. We may or may not be starting a pullback. It could just be a subdivision of a much bigger trend. Just because it's 5 ways does not mean it's over. It may just very likely just keep on going. But if it does make a pullback, a proper pullback, especially a pullback that breaks structure, that's going to be great news for us because that should give us another opportunity to go long again for the continuation of the uptrend. I for sure am looking for logs, at least until the higher time frames tell me otherwise. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel linked down here in the corner, and don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to the daily live trading sessions and the swing trade setups at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.